Man, it's hard out here.
That shit dead? What's going on? It's hard out here. Your man LG in the building.
That's you?
That's me.
She's done for.
Party claps. Now it's cold out in Florida. What the heck is this? Came to Florida to get warm, away from the cold.
And it's still cold.
To start training, and it's still cold. Still fucking cold. It's hot out here.
It's hot out here.
It's hot out here, motherfucker. Thing's dirty. It won't get dirty.
Oh! What phone?
My man dropped his phone.
Let me ask everybody, who remembers this place? We back out here at freaking Shane's backyard, dirt bike, four-wheeler track, whatever. Literally sitting on a utility. That's nuts, man. Oh, you got that? I don't know about this one though. The 90's not making that one. Huh?
I got him?
Hell yeah, you got it.
Hell yeah?
For sure.
Hey. Huh? You alright? Oh, 100%.
This is how quad riders take their sight laps, nice and slow. They gotta grow, you know.
So? This ain't all of it, come on.
But you just seen them jump this.
It's a 4x4, not a 90.
This place is dope, man. It's probably one of the sickest backyard pit bike tracks. I think he's got y'all on the track, bro.
Oh,
like, if y'all had, like, that versus y'all's race bikes.
Yeah, right.
Should I call Zach and tell him to bring a stalker or something?
Bring stalker.
The rev limiter. Huh?
Hauling ass.
Alright, let's get it, baby. Dawson's over there is complaining. He's talking about the 90, the TRX 90 isn't making some of these jumps out here. He just got to give it enough pepper, man. I think he got it. I'm going to take it for a spin and see what I can do on it.
Okay. You want me to get on it? Yeah. Alright. You don't want to?
You want me to, I will.
I mean, just be careful. Don't tear it up. But yeah, if you ain't jumping nothing, you got to get on something you can jump. Can't be pussyfooting around out here.
Is this guy a twist throttle?
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, let's go. Oh, I should have got goggles. Ah! Let's see what this thing can do out here, man. Are we making this? Hell yeah, we got it. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. I want to race that 110. We got the jumps out here. I don't know about this one though. Oh, we got this next one. I don't know. Oh yeah, we got that easy. I don't know about this one though. Oh, we probably could have done it. We probably could have done it. It'll be a stretch for sure though. Oh, we golden, baby.
On
Almost washed the front end. Ah, it's so sloppy and slippery. Oh no, so muddy. I can't keep up with him in the woods. It's so slick. Oh, we got a jump. Ah! Oh yeah. I'm waxing every 110 that wants to come out here. That's dope.
Yeah, I don't think this was here the last time you rode.
Nah, it was like a smaller portion of it. These tires suck. So I mean, if I had traction, it'd be perfect. This one. There's no damn way we're hitting this. And then we got these next ones over here too. Huh?
Oh, what did I say?
It's mint, baby.
Yeah.
I hit everything but that one in the middle.
Uphill?
Yeah.
You hit these ones?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You made it?
Yeah.
No shot.
Grease it. I OJ'd the first double.
No way.
Yeah.
You can make that 40 if you can it.
Hell no.
There he is, the big double over there.
Yeah, pin it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open.
Yeah.
Don't let off.
Just kind of.
Yeah. Drew, when you come around the big tractor tire in this clay big turn back there,
Yeah.
and then you got the double, he went off the third double into the woods. Not hitting
Giant
tree.
hole down there. We should go rip back there.
All right.
I'm finna go get my e-bike real quick. Oh no, you got the pitter? It's at the shop. All right, can I ride it?
Yeah. Not too bad.
Cole said he was going to buy a BBR and a built 50 the other day.
Honest to God, there is this bike right here. I'd rather have it than a 110 of any, Honda or Kawasaki. This thing's just set up, man. It's race ready and for an adult, and for a lot cheaper.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
Yeah, $2,500 roughly. You can't beat that, dude. For what you get: inverted front shocks, disc brakes front and rear, aluminum swing arm.
Now the gang pulls up. God damn, took y'all long enough?
Yeah, we had a pack.
Woo!
Oh, thank you. There you go, you gotta get it.
out the trees to hit this. Oh!
Dude, back there, me and him doing motos. That step up thing in the rhythm section in the woods, we were hitting it every lap. It's sick.
Damn. I thought somebody
You go
would
hit it on my 90. It's
Shit.
insane. It's wide, bro.
It's wide open.
It's hot. Then you hit it, bro. You hit that little one, you go, whoa. And it's just straight down.
It didn't even look like he was pinning it. I thought he was gonna check it up.
I feel like I broke my frame in half.
Yeah, I do too. You'll look at my frame. My bike's flat, bro.
Somebody said I think I broke my frame. Freaking quads. Huh?
Race me.
Race you? Well, let's go.
Let's go.
How y'all turn these damn things? I keep running up the berm instead of in and out. Damn, son. Oh wait, I can get a head start. Shit, Shane, move. Watch out. Ah, no. Damn it, what was I thinking? I'm sitting here watching his ass.
Keep it lace, gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hoes insane. Rockin' Mary jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball main frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that